Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Chicco Twala's interview with Xoli Mgambi is currently trending, you guys, after Chicco told Xoli how he received a call that night and was told that Senzo was killed. Selo shared some information that has never been told before, so please check out this video, like, comment, share, and also hit the bell for notification. Here's the video.
If it is found for the duration of this trial that the people who were in that house, as you say, Longwe Twala, your son, Kelly Kumalo, and the other people who were there, you're saying that they know who killed Senzo. Would you find it strange that they are not called as either witnesses, either for the state, or they are called by the defense? Would you find that strange?
It would definitely be strange if they don't call them. They have to call them because they're the ones who know who shot Senzo. There's no other person who can tell South Africans the truth besides them.
And Kelly Kumalo, when she called you on that day of the 26th of October, what did she say to you? Do you still remember her words?
She was traumatized. She said to me, Senzo was shot. He's shot. Someone shot Senzo. She was very traumatized, and I was shocked, you know. And I jumped out of my bed. I drove straight. I even called Dr. Ivan Koza on my way to Fosloras, where Kelly stayed. I didn't even know her house, but I actually didn't go to her house because they said they had left, they've taken Senzo to hospital. So I actually met them at the hospital.